A broadcast or cable system has issued a winter storm warning for the following counties/areas. At 11:05 p.m. on February 2nd, 2022, effective until 7:05 p.m. Message from Open Deck. 2 tilde winter storm warning in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. CST Thursday. What heavy snow possible and a brief window of freezing rain. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 14 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. Where portions of east central and northeast Kansas and central, north central, northeast, northwest and west central Missouri. When from 9 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. CST Thursday. Impacts travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Precautionary/preparedness actions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can